Okay. I'm pretty sure I know how to get the secret ending. I know. I know, it's crazy. I know how to get the secret ending. Well, 3,000 other people know how to get it, but when I'm recording this, people have just found out how to get it. It's a bot, I forgot. You picked bot, because, well, he sucks. You can spawn in here? Nope. Not on there. Spawn in here? Nope, not on there. And finally, you can spawn in the web. Oh no. Can't tell. Huh. Should have warned you. Nope. Can't warn you. Yep, definitely can't warn you. I'd be dead. No, 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 please, 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 please. Huh? No, no. Why is this not working? Oh, no, 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 no. Why? My water bottle is really trying to kill me now. Thanks. It spilled on my shirt, and I keep on almost dying because of that. Oh no, please. Luckily, we have some people. We're helping Quay. Me? He did it for me. 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 I got the TNT. Come on, Quay. No, I had to call you Quay. That's your robot's name. And I don't know what you. Yes, oh yes, Tyler is a code. Get out! It's sad. Goodbye, Quay. Bye. Quay, no! Don't die to me. To do tells me to do things that I can't. Quay, no! Come on, chase me! Quay, help me. Come on, Quay. I'll wait him out. If Quay helps me, I'll help him. But you're just... you to stay. No, don't die! I just saved my best friend. Quay, I salute you. Okay, do not press skip. I saluted Quay. And look what happened. We won. I will do Code Tyler. I promise. Just let me. Maybe I won't, but you helped me in Roblox, so I'll do something. Oh, let me type that into chat. You can't see it. It says click to chat. Click here or press /key. /key. Examine. I will never examine. Do city. He said do city. He said do city? The only reason we got this ending is because of him. Thanks. Don't make me cry. Quickly, you can't make me cry. Stop, quickly. You can't make me cry. Nope. I'm just gonna go get the bad ending. I tricked you. I don't know how to get the true ending. Yeah, I thought I knew, but I don't. So let's just go get the bad ending. Completed plan. True ending? I wanna tell you my story. You wanna believe me? What's happening? Say it, Mr. B. You know what happened. You must leave after it hasn't much time. I got the true ending? I was go to my Mr. B had. I put it all down. See if we hit even much for a cure. This actually said the doctor's coat. Volunteers. You guys seeing this right now? All I did is found a picture in the city. Beat it with the picture in my hand. Beat this normally. And I went to the bad ending. You gave me the true ending? And why did it have the cha-ching? Did I get something? I don't know. Oh, he sandwiched up here. It's attacked. I gave him. Left you two. You left me? Full story. Thank you for telling me, Mr. B. I won't forget you. Good luck, you two. Oh, you're finally back. And the sun is due. Reached out, Mr. B. He's no longer a threat. Oh, we kind of just listened to him. Good job. I know you can do it. Did we just go to the good ending? I hate to ruin the moment, but where do we go from here? Look right here. I got no idea. What is it? Look right here. Yeah. I knew it. That thing was telling us to look for the cure. Did I get the good ending, the bad ending? Piggy. Why is this game trying to make me want to cry? Actually, tears are coming out of my eyes. Maybe I made you do another kiss. Please. Clyde was so much sadness and happiness. Stop it. It's trying to make me cry. No, please. You're killing me. Stop, you're hurting me. Stop, please. Wait, that was chapter 6. Halfway. What else by minute? Stop, please. Stop. I know I beat every single map. I have beat every single map. To house, to chapter 12, to the good ending, the bad ending, good. Yeah, I saw that. Grab us. Grab me. Stop it. Special thanks to you, Happy Bubblegum. Stop. You're killing me. And you're making me cry. And he's dead. Oh no, did he escape? No. So I hear the cha-ching. Wait, no. It's a new trap. I can. Wait. True ending. I did it. When I was, yeah, I beat Hospital. Like, Hospital was the hardest map. Okay, what's this? Huh? What game is that? Bad. Yep. I got the good ending as the first one, and then I got the bad ending. I got the true ending. But you're really trying to kill me. Stop. You made me cry. So much. Wait, that was the actual end. That was actually the end. No. Piggy 2 is coming out? Piggy 2? Piggy 2 is coming out? Is Piggy 2? Is that like a one skin only? No, it wasn't. Oh my god. What's happening to me? I'm breaking. I'll show you how I got the picture. Then the rest is just horrible. I'll show you how I got the picture. Oh, you have to be in play plus one. Wow. That was the best ending ever. Okay, it's train mode. But that's okay. It's not gonna be there, but... One. Okay, I'm the trader. I'll show you where it is. I'm not gonna kill anyone. So, I got my traps. I'll shoot you. I'll place a trap with where you're first supposed to go. So first we have to go this route. This dude knows them. Then you... So, this is the first place. There will be a paper underneath if you pick player plus bot. See? I still have an idea.